let me hold ya. I'm gonna make sure I give.
Y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be washing my car. Oh my god, I look so bad right now. Basically, the reason I've never been uploading as much is because we're moving. So when we move tomorrow, I'm gonna be dropping a lot of videos. But until then, I'm gonna wash my car, and I just feel like that was a good opportunity. And I just feel like that was a good opportunity to make a video. I'm feeling go show you how my car look on the outside, cause yeah, this how it look, y'all. It don't look that bad on the outside, but on the inside, in the windows, I got a whole handprint on the other side of my car from my little brother. No ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am. And then in the back, y'all, I understand how my mama feel, cause my brothers and sisters making a mess. So yeah, I'm finna go. This could kind of be a little. This can kind of be a little. Look. This could be a little kind of drive with me, I guess. Y'all, look at this. I am messy, and I just got my car like a month ago. Look, I kept telling myself, "Oh, I'm gonna keep my car so clean, so clean." Look at it now.
The door.
I also have to go to the store to get some I want to make some banana bread, so I'm gonna get some bananas. Alright, so I made it to the car wash. Now I'm finna get the cheapest thing they got. I don't know if y'all can see that. So it's fresh to wash. Oh, I'm gonna get the wash anyway. This is $1. Alright, this thing I parked kind of far away from it.
Please insert payment now. Please wait while your transaction is being
I know you
processed.
lie. I know you lie. I know you lie.
Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
I know you lie. I forgot about this. They give you $1 coins. That is so stupid. That's the stupidest thing ever. That's so stupid. That just pissed me off. They gave me $10 coins. I don't want no $10 coins, bro. That really just made me mad. Like, can you even use $10 coins in the store? I'm pretty sure you could, but still, I don't want to get copyrighted. Y'all want to see the car wash thing? I do search if stores take $1 coins, because I need to get bananas with them coins. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that? It's like I hear monkeys or something.
What?
Yeah. Let me show y'all what's in this trunk. Shoe boxes. Because we moving, yeah, I told y'all that. So I'm just using this and I'm like off everything. Like everything. I'll get this too. And I have some wipes in the prints.
Wake up and win with Didi. Yeah. In the $1,000 minute game.
Only on Didi in the morning.
Yo, my radio loud. So that's what I'm finna do. I'm finna just wipe down everything. I'm gonna show y'all that. Like for real, I'm hot. I'm finna alright, next I'm gonna wipe off my mirrors with these glass wipes. I need to wipe the inside of my windows because my brothers and sisters be touching them. But I'm finna just wipe the mirrors. How much is it? Oh, $1. I got $1.25. So vacuum everything.
Twig on the rise.
I'm taking a little break because I'm hot, very hot. I'm finna put all these coins that's all over the car in my purse. I'm throwing this whole cup away. You know, I don't even care about the cup no more. Yo, a lot of y'all told me to use this to take the stickers off my car. 2 rental car stickers, like it said not smoke or something. And I got it off. I didn't get it off with this though. It wasn't working. I don't know. I just scraped it off with I scraped it off with some tweezers, but I did try to use this. It just didn't work though. So maybe it helped a little, but I couldn't tell. Yeah, my edges done just came up and everything. So I'm finna go vacuum the rest and wipe some stuff down. I'm gonna just show y'all everything afterwards. I think I recorded enough. I don't want this video to be too long. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys in 1 second.
6 hours later.
Okay, so I'm done. I finna show y'all how everything looks. I still gotta go put some stuff like in the house or whatever. But I'm gonna just show y'all how everything looks. By the way, I got a car tour. If you wanna see everything, go check that video out. So I cleaned all that right there. I wiped the steering wheel down, wipe all this down. It's kinda still wet, or I still got some residue on it. No more coins in here. No more coins in here. I wiped this down too. It got like residue. I don't like that. Oh no, I don't like that. I hope that go away. Why? You know what? It's okay. Yeah, I wiped everything in here. No more coins in here. Vacuum. Wipe. In the back seat, I clean the seats. I gotta go bring that in the house. I clean under here. And I clean under her too. I'm gonna get on. I'm gonna show y'all the outside of the car. I'm gonna just try to talk over it so I don't get copyrighted. Cause hold up, I can't show my license plate. I can't see that. Oh. All right. So yeah, it looks a lot better to me. Let me take some pictures for the thumbnail. I forgot to record, but yeah, I'm in a store right now. I got some bananas. I'm going to the car store to get some air freshener. And then, oh my god, I'm running out of bread. And then I'm going back home and make some banana bread. Period. So when I wear a mask, my glasses be fogging up. Like my bread that hot. Yo, how much is bananas? I'm finna just mail a bunch of them and get. I had got this last time. I don't think I'm gonna get that again though. No, I got this one. Actually, I don't know, but it's pink. I got the same exact kind. Why? I don't know. None of the other ones wasn't appealing to me. Like they did not really smell good. I'm probably gonna get this one. But I'm gonna put it on there. They just hard to put on here. Oh, they smell good already. Don't mind this thing. Just another air freshener thing from Bath and Body Works, but I don't have one in it right now. Make sure I open it because last time I did not open it. I didn't know you had to open it. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I'm finna go home and make some banana bread. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go watch my other video, guys. And y'all, thank y'all for 1K. Thank y'all so much. I'll be back on another video in a few days because I'm moving tomorrow. So I'm doing a moving vlog or whatever. So yeah, bye guys.
Birthday, let's turn up. Girl, it's your birthday, let's turn up.